Evenly apply essential oil to the treatment area. RFN suction, dampness expulsion, detoxification, skin firming, and body shaping. Settings: time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Suction duration, 0.5. Release time, 0.2. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Note: adjust the suction and release duration individually or choose the preset mode. Push the dew channel in 3 sections. Push the whole dew channel on the back. Push the bladder meridian in 3 sections. Push the bladder meridian. Glide the handle in circular motions along the bladder meridian. Move the handle back and forth along the Davin meridian. Slide the handle back and forth over the scapulothoracic joint. Cleanse the treatment area.